everyone, welcome to Deepika Makeup. Hope you are doing super awesome. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing the small makeup purchases I made in the last 1.5 months. If you don't already know, I'm on a low buy and I'm trying to make it a no buy in terms of makeup. I last shared my low buy makeup haul in end of December and today is February 8th and these are the purchases I made. This is not too much. I'm definitely way under my budget and I'm very much liking this. So let's begin this video. I have quite a few fails that I got and I'm going to be really good at returning the ones that don't work for me. So let's see what we have. So first few things I have here are from Milani. I wanted to try some of their new launches, especially their lipsticks and also their concealer. So I placed an order when they had 25% off and also they had this set on sale. So usually this palette alone is $20, but this is actually a holiday set and it comes with this palette which is Bold Obsessions palette and also eyeshadow primer, and it was there for $15. Yes, $14.88, and then I got an additional 25% off on this one, which made it a really good deal. I heard great things about their eyeshadow primer and people mentioned that this is a great drugstore eye primer, and also this Bold Obsessions palette. Ever since they released these eyeshadows, I wanted to give them a try. So that is how the palette looks like. It comes with a good size mirror as well, and it's a very nice neutral palette, a good blend of mattes and shimmers. I can create a smoky eye, like a deep smoky eye, and then there are like very nice blending shades as well, a matte black as well. So this can be a very nice travel and also like a everyday palette. So that's that, and also I'm excited to try this eyeshadow primer. And then I also ordered their concealer. They recently launched their concealer. It's the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Longwear Concealer. I got in the shade Natural Sand number 150, and this is the right shade for my skin color. It exactly matches my skin color, so I can use this to conceal any spots on my face and also like an under eye concealer. I didn't really use it on my face yet. I swatched it. It's the right shade for me, and also it is a very nice and creamy and pigmented concealer, and the undertone is very beautiful. So I'm actually blending it on my skin, and it is very pigmented. It has concealed very well and it doesn't really feel thick, and it also looks very smooth on the back of my hand. So I'm yet to give it a try on my face, and I will let you know. Maybe I'll use this in a tutorial, get ready with me, or a full face of Milani. And I also got their concealer. They launched it long back. I haven't really got around to it, but then I thought this would be a good chance to try it out because I have the concealer as well. So I got it in the shade Sand, but it ended up looking a little pink on me. The undertone wasn't right, so I just sent it back and they're gonna send me the right shade, and I think I'm getting I think medium sand or warm sand, I guess. I'll let you guys know in the video when I use it. And then they launched some lip products. So they have these matte lipsticks now. The packaging is so classy with the black packaging. Even the gold bullets when they used to have are very nice, but I really like this matte black packaging, and these are their bold matte lipstick. I got it in the shade I Am Positive, which is what I have on my lips right now. It is a 80s brown color. This is not 100% matte lipstick. It has a little bit of shine to it. It's very comfortable. It doesn't dry my lips, and also is very pigmented, and I have this lip color on for at least like 2 or 3 hours, and I haven't seen any fading or feathering, which I really like. So far I'm liking it, but these are just those traditional, you know, matte bullet lipstick. That's it. There's nothing really special about those lipsticks. And then we have the Milani Amore Satin Matte Lip Creams, and I have it in the shade 09 Velvet. I already swatched this shade on my Instagram and I love the formula, you guys. These are pigmented, very comfortable on the lips, opaque. I really like the color that I selected, and also they feel very comfortable. Initially when I put it on, it was looking glossy and I was like, oh my god, isn't it gonna set, or what is it gonna look like, because there's the word satin and I was like iffy how how it's gonna be, but then once it's set, it stayed put. There's no transfer, and it lasted throughout the time I was in the party. I was having food and everything. It stayed on. I just absolutely love these, and I'm definitely going to get some more shades in this. Love the formula. Very comfortable liquid lipsticks, I want to say. And then they also send these little minis. These are gift with purchase. So I have this little Prime Perfect face primer, and if you watched my blush declutter video, I decluttered all my Milani blushes just so I can get a couple of these rose blushes, and I'm glad I got this little mini so I can try it out and decide whether I want to get a full size blush. So this one is in the shade Romantic Rose and looks like a very natural mauve blush, which I'm yet to try. So those are everything that I got from Milani. Once I have the foundation in my hand, I will make a video like a get ready with me or something, so you can see the products in action and know my thoughts on the products. And then the next one I have here is a lip product. Again, this is the NYX Lip Tease lip oil in the shade Loki. You know how much I love my Lip Tease lip oil in the shade Bang Bang. My absolute favorite lip product. For the last like 2 or 3 months, I've not been able to put that down, so I went ahead and got another shade. This is Loki. It looks very much like the Stila Patina, but this is a little more deeper, and this color is very natural, looks very flattering on my skin color. Guys, if you're not following me on Instagram, I would definitely recommend checking me out there, because I'm always online on Instagram pretty much throughout the day. I keep posting something, post my lip swatches, and I'm actually doing it 28 days of pink lipsticks on my Instagram. So every day throughout this month, I'm posting one pink lipstick swatch. Most of them are my favorites, so do check me out there. Alright, the next ones I have here are some new launches from Wet n Wild. The other day I was at CVS and I was browsing through the makeup aisle. I didn't find anything interesting, and then I went through some other aisle. Usually they don't have any makeup there, but then they had these displays there. They were around like 5 or 6 different displays of Wet n Wild. All says Wet n Wild Pump collection, and they had everything from glitter masks, those beads that are dupes of Guerlain meteorites. They had makeup wipes, setting sprays, they had hair sprays or something, and then they have had these little something like these little pods. They had everything in this form. They had different kinds of primers, blushes, lip balms, lipsticks. They had eyeshadow palettes, and the packaging looked so, you know, like kids makeup. And right then I decided this collection was like, you know, pretty off. I didn't even want to try that, because most of the Wet n Wild limited edition collections I tried were a flop. I usually like their you know, regular, you know, permanent displays, but then anything that I pick up from their limited edition collection, I never had good luck. Very few times I had good luck with their limited edition collection. So for the last few years I've been staying away unless I hear a lot of good buzz about their limited edition collection. I usually don't pick up, but then I saw these and I fell for these, you guys. These are Makeup Locker 3-in-1 BB cream, highlighter and corrector in one. So I went ahead and got 2 shades. This one is medium, which ended up being too light and pink for me. Now coming to the BB cream, it's a very easy to apply product. If you are around my skin color, medium deep is a very good match for you. Even the undertone is good, it's not pink or red. So I would say if you have clear skin and if you have dry skin, and if you just want like a, you know, easy to apply everyday BB cream that you just want to apply with your fingers with a little bit of coverage, yeah, you will like it. But rest all, please stay away from this one. And the next product that I fell for from this collection is Keep Going Waterproof and Sweat Proof. This is a eyeshadow pencil. So I got it in the shade Mud Run. So they had like, you know, I want to say like 6 or 8 colors in this, and I went with something that is as neutral as possible. So this one is like a bronze shade, and the formula is actually very good, very easy to apply. It's creamy as well. It gives us a little bit of time to blend the edges, and it dries down, and once it's set, it does not move, it does not crease, and it did stay for very long on my eyes. However, I have an issue with the color itself, because on my skin tone it actually looks like I have bruised eyes or dark circles around my eyes. The color is just off for me, but then the other colors in this collection, I don't really like them. So this was the closest color I thought I would like, but then I ended up not liking the shades. So unfortunately, even though the formula is good, I have to give it a thumbs down. So the entire collection, just by looking itself, I decided that they're not going to work for me, and then I tried these products, ended up not liking as well. So I'm going to stay away from this pump collection. And the last one I have here is from Sally Hansen, another gimmick product that I fell for. So this is Sally Hansen No More Stains Spray On Base Coat. Yeah, it's a base coat that comes in a spray form. You know, I thought of getting a base coat, and then I saw Sally Hansen release this spray on base coat. I saw on Instagram, and I'm like, ooh, I want to give that a try. And then I went and then I found it. You guys, this one is, I think, I want to say about $8.50 or $9, which is double the amount of usual base coat. You know, Sally Hansen base coats are around like $3, under $5, but then this one is about $9. So the problem I have with this is it's a very liquidy base coat, and this says it's a spray, but then it comes out like a stream. So it's not a spray, it's basically like if I spray on, it comes out like a stream. So you have to very carefully aim this nozzle on your nail and then spray it on, and then the spray actually slides all over your fingers. It gets sticky, and I just hated this one, you guys. What was Sally Hansen thinking while creating this one? Oh my god, this is very messy, and there's a lot of product wastage as well. So if you're applying with just a brush, you would just target on your finger, paint your nails, you have a base coat. But then this one, even if you target very carefully on your nails, you have to spray on like 2 or 3 times, because since it's not a spray, so even if you aim it, you have to, you know, spray 3 times on your nails, like at least 2 or 3 times on your nails to cover your entire nail. And by the time the product slides down, it keeps spraying all around the nail except on the nail, and then it's messy, it's product wastage. I don't like it. On top of it all, so let's say we took all the trouble to coat your nails with the base coat. I'm going to show you. This is the manicure I did day before yesterday, and yesterday night I saw my nail polish chipping. So this nail polish, I used it previously. The base coat, I use it all the time. So the only new product in here is the base coat. So it's not the top coat, it's not the nail polish, it's the base coat. My nail polish is literally like peeling off my nails. Like, let me show you. I can remove my entire nail polish like this. Like, look at that. That's how ineffective the formula is as well. So this is again gimmick that doesn't work. And so far it's February 8th. I didn't use my card to make any makeup purchases, so it's going good this month as well. And out of the ones I showed today, definitely the Wet n Wild ones are bad, and the Sally Hansen, you know, spray base coat is bad, but the Milani ones I'm yet to try, and I'm looking forward to try them out. And also this one is definitely a hit. So you guys, that ends this video. Please let me know if there are any interesting makeup launches or sales around this time that you know. Please let me know in the comments below. And also, as I always say, if you enjoyed this video and found this video helpful, do not forget to hit on the thumbs up button, and also do subscribe to my channel, and also do follow me on my Instagram. I'll put my name here. I'm deepikamakeup. Do check me out there. And that's it. I will see you all very soon in my next video. Bye.